Mommy, I'm gonna show you my house, okay? This is the inside. This is where I put my things, and then this is where I cook, and this is where I sleep. And then the upstairs.
Did you do everything?
Yeah.
Why did
Eh,
you choose that color?
hmm?
Why did you choose that colors?
Because it's kind of classic to me. And then
Oh,
this is the upstairs. There's
so you
nothing
love a
much.
roof deck?
Huh?
You love to have a roof deck on your house.
Yeah, because you can just check the views.
I also love roof decks because I
But
wanted to see the lights and the stars.
okay, but next time I'll build my swimming pool right over there.
That's so cool.
So that's it.